What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Zane with another brand new video, and today I am doing another Adobe Illustrator video, and today I am going to show you guys how to make the UP up logo from Adobe Illustrator. And just a warning that I did not use any tutorials and anything. I just designed it all by myself. So I'm going to do it for now, and I'm going to show the experience with you guys. So let's just begin, shall we? Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is so make sure you have this board. So I got my canvas right here. It's a 1200 by 1200 pixel. And now the first thing that I'm going to do is go to the text tool. Yeah, I'm going to go to the text tool and then just type in the UP, which stands for up. And by the way, guys, you can go with any letters you want to. But for me, I'm going to go with the UP, stands for up, so, okay. Even you can do truck or car, you can spell it here, but for me, I'm going to use the UP, so I'm going to text UP. Oh, because I'm making it bigger right now, so, yeah. I'm making this bigger. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is to make this even flatter, so, yeah. And boom, just like that, we got it. Alright, so the next thing that we need is to right click this and then click on create outlines. And now you can do whatever you want. And the next we're gonna do is right click again, and then we're gonna click on ungroup. And now you can do whatever you want with these two letters. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is to warp them together. So what I'm going to do is bring the P right here. And then the issue is that there's this. So I'm going to fix that by the shape builder tool. So alright, so first you have to select everything first. Now click on the shape builder tool and then boom. And now you notice that the entire P is getting deleted. So we're gonna fix that for now. Let's just restart everything real quick. I'm going to bring the P really closer. So like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the shape builder. So let's select everything and shape builder, and now it works. And now we have shape builder. Now we're going to delete it. And yeah, there we go. And now we have that done. We're going to slightly place it in the perfect position. So like maybe like that. So that is now better. Now we got the U and the P. And now what I'm gonna do is to group them together. And yeah, there we go. And now wait. Okay, so wait, I thought everything would be grouped, but okay, there we go. Now it's okay. We need to put this in the perfect position. Alright, there we go. Now it's perfect. Now we're gonna select everything and then group them. So we're going to. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is to go to gradient, and we're going to gradient everything. So let's just click on this, and then you see that there is this. Yeah. Alright, so I think we're going to go on to that later, but for now we're going to go to the shape builder tool, and then just connect everything like that. Now that is much better. Now everything is connected now. See, guys? Everything's now connected. By the help of the shape builder tool, we can connect to anything we want to. And now we're going to go to the gradient. And now we're going to, if you don't have gradient here, just go to Windows and then in the search gradient right here, it will pop up right here. So yeah, we got gradient. And now you can pick any color you want, but for me, I'm going to go with a solid red. Oops, sorry, red. And notice that it's not changing colors. And you know that is not changing the code because it is not selected first. So let's select it first, and boom, it's now code changed. Second one, I'm gonna go with the solid blue and a solid that. Yep. And also there's this here, so I'm gonna delete that real quick. And yeah, that is pretty much it right now. And yeah, that is how you make a up logo in Adobe Illustrator. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see more Adobe Illustrator videos like this, please comment and subscribe and click that notification bell for now. Bye and see you on the next video.